morning, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Masa Selka is my name if you're new here. If you're returning to behind all how you do. So I'm preparing to go to church. Today it's Mother's Day. I had a Mother's Day message. I hope you probably saw it before you came into this video, because I wanted to share that. So if nobody said anything nice to you for Mother's Day, kindly do check it out. And also, if you resonated with the message and you do check it out, and then maybe you'll resonate with the message and you'd want to share that with your parent, feel free to do so, because as much as I was really terrible at sharing that in words, God knows how much I was feeling it. And I hope the people whom the message is gonna get to will also feel it to the extent that I did, because I can assure you I did. So obviously these are being filmed on the same day, but you have seen this one on a different week because, well, I had to let that one marinate. I'm preparing for church today. I had done my skincare in the other video. Right now I'm just completing as I include a bit of makeup. I don't think I'm gonna do a lot. And then we're gonna do an outfit, my hair, and then I'm gonna show you guys what was going on at church. What will be going on at church. I mean, I'm yet to go. I'm yet to go there. I'm not there yet.
Everybody else was playing, that's for sure. And I was on my knees when nobody else was praying.
Let's have a look at our outfit of the day. This is the coat from Foschini. This is the dress. This is the alternative dress, but it's not black. I mean, it is, but also it's not. I don't know. I'll see if it but I don't know. I have more confidence in this one, but we'll see. Then I'm gonna be wearing some stockings. Woo! It's so cold. I'm contemplating my decision. Okay, let's see if the idea is coming together the way I'm hoping it would. So this is the dress that I'm wearing for today. I have these underneath because it's cold. Okay, and then we're gonna throw this on. So this is the coat. is from Foschini. The dress, I think I bought it from some shiny stuff. And then these are from Mr. Price. Okay, this is how I look. Right? Okay. I want to take it off because I'm here to do my hair. And. I'm back in my robe because it's cold. These are the shoes we're wearing today. Like this. This is the girl. Okay, let me remove tags. Jesus Christ.
For sure. And I was on my knees when nobody else was praying. Oh.
I got this on Fix. The wig is from Shara hair. Do I look as cute as I think? I have a conflict of which handbag to use. Should I use this one? Or this one? Let me show you guys how they look, okay? Was this by Rama? Or should I use the MAC one? The MAC one usually makes me feel like I really do have something on. This is by MAC. I love how thick it is. I don't usually wear lipsticks, but I feel like my outfit needs color. I'm conflicted. Okay, I need to see myself because I just want a little of it. I don't. Okay, just to add life, you know. All right. Okay, just to add life. But I kind of feel like I should have used matte one. I could be wrong. Let me show you guys the fit. So this is what we have going on, right? So we're gonna have her, right? So be reminded that we have black shoes as well, right? So there's already just so much black. Alright, okay, I love this. I look grown. Yeah, I look grown. Uh-oh. Oh, I'm gonna wish I had picked that. Okay, but why is this one? Shit, this one is agreeing so much. Damn. I don't know, let me put you out. I think maybe it's because I can see you here. Oh, that looks good. It looks very good with the black one. I don't know. What do you guys think? So this is my polo handbag. This is how it looks with it. I was just hoping the handbag would bring color, but when I try it with this, I feel like this just fits in, you know? Like, it complements. Oh my god, you guys, you can see it, right? I'm not hyping this. Okay, anyway, I'm gonna go with this one. Maybe next time I'll try with that one, but for now, this, damn. Okay, yeah, it feels so good. You know when you orchestrate an outfit, and then it actually turn out literally how you imagined it. Love that. Okay, let me go to church, you guys. This is our final look. I'll try to get y'all a video of the entire body. Ooh, I look too good. Ooh, I look too good. Hello. Hi. Okay, let me act right. Which cologne am I using? So let me use the Irresistible because I want to combine it with this. I think the combo is usually very good. So I'm just gonna, I give me will be worthwhile today. This Givenchy and that, I probably almost smell like, oh baby, why are you acting up? This is not the day. Okay, so this is the girl. This is the girl, you guys. Oh my god, this is such a cute outfit. This is such a grown outfit. Oh, I wish my mom was here to see this. Wish you could just see how grown I look. While I was working, there were times when in the morning I'd just get dressed and then I'd show her how I look. And I'll be there just looking like a very beautiful young woman. You guys, I need to go to church. Let me stop yapping and go. Thank you all so much for watching my videos. Highly appreciated. We do this every single week. And thank you so much. Mwah, I appreciate it. Okay. Happy Mother's Day once again. Well, I mean, obviously I've seen this when it's not Mother's Day. But let me show you all what happened at church, okay? Just a little bit.
There's so many limitations in our lives. But Jesus is here to straighten us out so that we may function properly. We may function accordingly. And what Jesus has just done.
We are almost in a cupcake, and then after that.